Question number 9, A part is with what? Surface tension. So there is sort of tension, some force acting on the surface of the liquid. Surface tension is a property of the liquid by virtue of which the upper layer of the liquid, that is, you have a container with some liquid, this is the top layer. The top layer, this layer behaves as a stretched membrane like this. Like this membrane can support some weight. I placed one marker. You can place one more, 2, 3, 4. Infinite. So it may break at a certain value. Say after you place 20 markers. There is a limit to the strength of the same. Similarly, water surface, any liquid surface behaves as a stretched membrane. Example is, if there is a mosquito mass is small, weight is small. This layer can bear weight of a mosquito. It won't break. But if a person sits here, this layer is not sufficient, doesn't have any strength to bear the weight of the person. It breaks. The way it cannot bear infinite weight. It can bear weight of 1, 2, 3 markers. Maybe it may break at 20 markers. So that means the upper layer of a liquid behaves as a stretched membrane. Bubble, soap bubble. If you press it slightly, the response is same as that of a balloon. So balloon is what? A rubber stretched membrane. So liquid surface also behaves as a stretched membrane. So what is surface tension? Surface tension is property of what? Of liquid by virtue of which it behaves as a stretched membrane. Along with this, it tries to have minimum surface area. Surface area, higher the surface area, higher is energy. It tries to have state of minimum energy, maximum stability by acquiring minimum surface area. This is one. Then how you account for the same? In a container, there is a liquid level. You mark a line tangent to the surface, top, force acting per unit length. It is also force acting per unit length, perpendicular to this length, but tangent to the surface. Perpendicular to this imaginary line and tangent to surface. Units. Force per unit length is what? Newton per meter. Dimensions. Dimensional formula for force. M1 L1 T minus 2 divided by length. What you get is M1 L0. Time with you is 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Examples. One is raindrops. Shape is what? Sphere, spherical shape. Why not cube? For a given volume. For a given volume. For a given volume. Surface area of sphere is minimum. And the purpose is what? We will prove surface energy is numerically equal to surface tension. So, the shape is such that it tries to have minimum energy. That means minimum surface area. So, a sphere has a minimum surface area for a given volume. This is example number 1. 2. Yes. When mercury is splint on a clean glass plate, it forms globules. That means again sphere. The reason is, if it is a small size sphere, if you take a relatively bigger sphere, that is radius is more, it will deviate slightly from spherical shape. Oval you can say. Why? Because of its weight. Gravity tries to make it flat and surface tension tries to keep it a sphere. That is why as the size increases, this shape will keep on changing. It will try to be, say, parallel to the surface, that is flat. So, for this case, volume is small, mass is small, but surface area is relatively large. That is why it is a perfect sphere. As the size increases, the shape changes. It is application number 2. 3. If you gently place a needle on the surface, if you take a steel wire or a needle, if you place it with a jerk, it will sink. But if you gently place it, that is, then weight of the object will act downwards. Mg acts downwards. There will be slight dip. Here there is a slight dip in its surface. There is surface tension force acting, force due to surface tension along this line, force acting due to surface tension along this line also. Suppose this angle is theta. This angle is also theta. Surface tension force component, yes, F surface tension cos theta. This is 1. This component also, that is also Fst cos theta. 2 times Fst cos theta is equal to what? Mg. So, if you gently place thin wire or a needle on the surface, its weight is balanced by what? Surface tension. But if you keep on increasing the size, thick wire, then Mg is more. This surface tension is unable to bear this much of weight. That means when a mosquito mass is very small, fraction of a gram, mass is very small, this upper layer, water surface, has sufficient surface tension to create a upward this force Fst, so that it can balance what? Mg. But if there is a person, human being, weight Mg is very high, that is why the person will sink and mosquito will float. So, a thin wire can float, thick wire won't. Time with you is 3 minutes to write. Example number 4. We'll perform one experiment. The experiment is, take a ring. If you have a ring with the handle, take this ring, place this ring in soap solution, and once you get this out, what you observe is there is a soap film available. Agreed or not? Soap film is available. Now take a thread and make a loop of the thread. That means by placing a knot at the end. So there is a loop. So you take a loop, thread, loop, place this loop on this surface. So it will take any random shape like this. Now take a pen and puncture it at the center. If you puncture it at the center, this film will break inside the red. And what you observe is this loop is a circle, takes this shape, that is a circle Y. Now we go through the statement. Soap film tries to have minimum surface area. That means what? This is a soap film. It will try to have what? Minimum surface area. That means central part has to be maximum. Total is constant. If this blue color is minimum, then inside this has to be maximum for a given parameter. So shape of loop is circle Y for a given parameter. Area of circle is maximum. Means what? If you are given a rope and I ask you to make a plot, you have options. Say wire length is, suppose 40, let's make it 60, 60. So you can make a triangle 20, 20, 20. You can make a triangle. You can make it a square also. Total length has to be 20, 20 plus 20, 60. Each side is what? 15, 15, 15. You can make it a circle also with what radius? R, such that, how much R? Such that 2 pi R is equal to 60. You can find out the value of R. Now in 3 cases you can find out the area, this area, area of the triangle, area of the square, area of the circle. 2 minutes with you, you will find area first case, area second case, and area third case. You will find, yes, you will observe area for a given perimeter. Perimeter was given how much? 60. In all the cases, perimeter is 60. You will find area of the circle, this A3 will come out to be maximum. 2 minutes with you to write and find the value of A1, A2 and A3. Yes, A1 comes out to be what? Yes? 173. A1 is 173. A2? 225. 15 into 15. And what about A3? 2? 227? 287? A3 is 287. Area is maximum for circle. So if I give you a rope and ask you to draw a plot of your choice, in order to occupy maximum area, you will draw a circle. Right? For a given perimeter, area of circle is maximum. Fifth point, point number 5. You place oil drop on water, cold water, cold water. Place oil drop. Surface tension of cold water is more. Surface tension of cold water is high. That means what? This cold water will try to stretch it in all directions, and this oil drop will spread. This is one experiment. Second experiment is hot water. Now the temperature is high. Same experiment. Oil drop, hot water. Hot water, surface tension of hot water is less. So that means the force acting in all direction to make it straight, flat is relatively less. So it may have a small variation in the shape, but it will be almost a sphere. Boiling water has zero surface tension. That is why for washing purpose you make use of hot water or maybe boiling water, so that surface tension is less and water can penetrate to the fine fabric of cloth. That is why you use hot water. What is the use of detergent? Detergent will also do the same. It will decrease the surface tension. Time with you is 2 minutes to write it. Numerical number 19. Numerical number 19, 19, page 7 by 87. Numerical is a square wire frame of side 10 centimeter is dipped in a liquid of surface tension 28 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton per meter. On taking out, a membrane is formed. What is the force acting on the surface of wire frame? Write what is given, what is required. Given is a wire frame. You dip this frame in a liquid surface, say soap solution, and what you get is a film. Each side is what? How much? 10 centimeter. Given is a surface tension, which is force per unit length S is equal to how much? 20 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton per meter. This is given, wireframe is given. You have to find out what? Force. Surface tension is force per unit length. You have to find out force. Try. Force will come out to be what? Force per unit length into total or effective length which you have. This is given to you. Question is, what is the total length? Yes, L. Yes, anyone? Total length is what? 4L? See, 4L is on one side. This one, it's a film. 4L on this side. And what about this side? Other side also. Length on the other side is also 4L. Total length, it is this part which is effective, this part also which is effective. The way you can write on both sides. Similarly, it is a film, it has a thickness 10 angstrom. So, free surface area as seen by you 4L, and the other side also for ring, yes, 2 pi r on one side and 2 pi r on other side. It has two free surfaces, that is why it is not 4L. It is how much? 8L. 2 into 4L. So, S is equal to what? 28 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton per meter. 8 L, 10 centimeter, how many meters? 0.1 meter. Solve and answer it. Yes. In Newton, what is the answer? Yes, confirm. 0.0224 224 Newton. 2.24 into 10 raised to power minus 2.